helping me, so and I can't let anyone else withdraw my YouTube pay because it was under my name. Woo! I really wanted to cry right now. Oh my god, this pandemic is really scary. Oh my god. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Come here, kitty. Okay. So finally it's done. It was really a tough thing for me to do. Hey! Yeah, let me talk, kitty. It was really difficult for me because it was my first time to go out for the last 2 months, just simply because I really had to withdraw. I had to withdraw my first ever full YouTube Sweldo. It's because before, remember when I was with Collab Asia, they took 30 to 40% of my pay, even if I did not reach the $100 threshold. That's possible when you're under some MCNs. So I've already tasted the fruits of my labor or sacrifice before with Collab Asia. They sent me a few dollars on a monthly basis, but I think it was only twice or thrice. But I terminated my contract with them because I felt nothing. They did not really do anything to support me. And so today, I finally decided to withdraw my first ever full YouTube Sweldo from Western Union. So I decided to enroll my Metrobank account. However, I found out that it takes $45 for your YouTube Sweldo to be wire transferred to your bank account, which I don't want to happen because, of course, your YouTube Sweldo, let's say it's only $100 and they take away $45 for the wire transfer, you'll be left with only $55, and that would be a very small amount. Okay, so for my experience, so as I was walking out our compound, I really felt I was already suffering panic attacks. I really had difficulty breathing, and woo, what an experience, guys. It was so scary for me to go out alone, and no one was helping me. So and I can't let anyone else withdraw my YouTube pay because it was under my name, and it was really a tough task when I reached the market area. So I actually calmed down a bit because I had to stop by Cebuana Lulier to withdraw my other talent fee from IPI. So I was still nervous when I got in Cebuana Lulier, and I was a bit happy when I already was able to get the talent fee from them. And then there comes that hard task when I was going to go near the market, and I was really afraid to go to the market area because the security there is very strict. But fortunately I was able to reach Western Union, and then I had to wait, of course, for my turn. And but yeah, luckily I was able to withdraw my my first sweldo, and I think I already took 100 pesos from this because I saw an old man selling face masks. Asa dapit at bang sa Western Union. And I can tell that he was really having a hard time, so I bought face mask. Why am I crying? Yeah, so I bought this face mask from him. So, sorry guys. Woo! So, I received today 6,401 pesos and 85 centavos from Google Adsense from Singapore. Thank you so much for that. And also thank you so much for your support for watching my videos. I really wanted to cry right now. Oh my god. This pandemic is really scary. I'm happy because I got my sweldo, but it's really difficult for YouTubers like me to go personally to Western Union to withdraw their money because I don't have a choice. If I wire transfer it, I will have $45 deducted. So, oh my god. Okay, but good news, we already have our first full YouTube sweldo, guys. Thank you so much for this. Just let me cry. My heart, my chest is really full, and yeah. Oh my god. It was so scary as it. I was scared for myself because I didn't know if I would collapse anytime while I was alone. It was really a scary experience for me, but hopefully the next time I withdraw, wala na quarantine. I'm really praying for that because lisod kayo ako sa mugawas. I wanted to have someone come with me, but it's not allowed. Only one person can go out per household. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it's all already done. Thank you so much once again for watching all my videos, and without you guys watching it, I would not receive this cash. And don't worry, this will be placed into good use. I'll be sending food to some folks, and I'll be treating my family and we will be celebrating because of this. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm really sorry if I've been crying the whole video. It just feels so scary to be outside. And there were a lot of changes the day when it was before quarantine, and compared to what I saw today, there was really a huge difference. Everything seemed so bright, and there were lesser people outside, and I hope you will still continue to watch my videos. And thank you for always supporting me. Please don't forget to share anything in the comments. Share this video if you felt my sincerity, and also please do leave a like. And once again, congratulations, lovies. We have already received our first full YouTube sweldo. God bless everyone, and I hope you do take care. Thank you, guys.